Hey guys, welcome to part 14 of the Facebook Ads University course. This video will show you how you can integrate your Facebook account with our Vertex, which is the CRM that is provided with the purchase of this course. Now, when you first log in to the Vertex, you are presented with the dashboard. Now, on the left-hand side, we have our menu. If you find the menu is collapsed, the green arrow on the bottom left-hand of the screen will open the menu up for us. We are then going to select settings. From settings, we're going to look for integrations, which is near the bottom. And now we're presented with the integration screen. Now we're looking for Facebook, which is this one right here. And we want to select an account. Now, because I frequently use the CRM, it now remembers my Facebook account, so I did not have to log in. However, you will be required to log in with your Facebook credentials. Now, I'm going to select, and I am going to select a page. So this is what you'll be presented with after you've signed in. It's going to ask you to select the Facebook page with which you would like to integrate the CRM. All right, so I have gone ahead and connected this client with the CRM. The next step that you want to do is on top here, there are different titles, I guess we can call them, but essentially they are for different pages. So you want to go to the Facebook form fields mapping. You want to click on map fields. Now, in our form, we are asking the prospect what is their timeline, and what is the scope of your project. So you want to come in here and you want to look for scope. I'm sorry, for the timeline, you want to look for timeline, and then for what is the scope of your project, we're going to put scope. And what this does, it lets the CRM know what data is being asked for with this question. Street address, as you can see here, we also have to update. So address, zip code, phone number, phone, email, phone name, phone name. So now the system knows that the information that gets sent over, they are able to categorize it and then provide the notification for that lead. So we're going to go ahead and do that with any form that we have. And we save that. And that's it. So we have now integrated our Facebook account with our CRM. What this is going to allow us to do now, if we go back, is when we come into our opportunities, we are going to see that our leads will be generated. So all new leads will be generated under this first column, which is new lead. There will be a automation system which will send out the first text message to this lead, which starts the conversation, which can be found here. Once that conversation is started, it is then up to you to continue to engage with that client. Now, let's go over the automation. So when you come down to automations, you're going to see that your account has been set up or preset with a number of automations or snapshots, as they're called. What you'll be required to do is to come in here. So one that you'll definitely have with you is going to be the appointment scheduling sequence. So every prospect that comes in will be put through this sequence. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to open the trigger. So as you can see here, the trigger has been set up. So when a Facebook lead form is submitted, but then what we want to do is select the form that we are currently using, which is going to be Dream Fence More Volume. You want to press Save Trigger on the bottom here. If you do not do this, it will not save any changes that you've made. As you can see here, the first SMS or text message that's being sent automatically is going to be, hey, I'm Pat from W Standard Fencing. So this is where you would go ahead and update the information. All right, we save that action. We can check it again. So I'm Andre from ABL Construction. Okay. If you actually come down here, you can see that the slug to the URL is not what it should be. So we're going to go ahead and update that. And it's just going to be the name of your company and put any dashes between the words. So we save that action. You then want to come over to the second SMS. This one is a generic one. What this does is it's telling the system to pick up the contact's first name. And then when we come down here, we're just going to update this as well. So you want to make sure you also save on top, so all of the work is saved. We have appointment confirmation as well. So this one's actually an internal one, but the same thing, you want to make sure that you're updating this. So users, we're going to add Andre here, save action, internal notification. So this is just something that gets sent out, which will tell you that there's been a new lead. Okay, we assign to user. All right, we're going to press save. So you're going to want to go through all of these to ensure that your information is the one that is inputted into any of these automations. You want to make sure that the correct form is selected, or else you won't be getting any of these leads coming in or any of the notifications being sent out. So here, this is just an internal one. Save that one and save. So as I mentioned, you will be receiving a number of snapshots already created within your account. And this is just going to help you with client engagement. That will be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.